Pelajaran nomor 7. John dan Kate pergi ke restoran Blue Sea. Teman-teman, Susan dan James tengah menunggu mereka di tempat itu. Wanita itu memperkenalkan mereka kepada John. Dengarkan situasi ini.
John, meet my friends. This is Susan and James.
Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Pleased to meet you. How are you?
They are tourist guides and they can take you on the trip around the city.
That's great. Thank you very much. I can't wait.
Dengarkan kembali dialog ini. Coba dengarkan kata-kata barunya.
John, meet my friends. This is Susan and James.
Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Pleased to meet you. How are you?
They are tourist guides and they can take you on the trip around the city.
That's great. Thank you very much. I can't wait.
Kate berkata,
John, meet my friends.
bertemu teman-teman saya.
Meet my friends. Meet my friends.
Ulangilah dengan nyaring.
Meet. Meet my friends.
Wanita itu memperkenalkan nama-nama mereka.
This is Susan and James.
Ini Susan dan James. Ulangilah dengan nyaring.
This is Susan and James. This is Susan and James.
John menjawab dengan menyapa orang-orang baru itu dengan berjabat tangan.
Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Pleased to meet you. Pleased. Pleased. East. East. Pleased.
Frasa ini berarti senang bertemu dengan Anda, tetapi ini dalam situasi formal.
Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Pleased to meet you. Hello, Susan. Hello, James. Pleased to meet you.
Bagaimana kabar Anda?
How are you? How are you?
Baik-baik saja, terima kasih.
Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you.
Kami juga senang bertemu dengan Anda.
We're pleased to meet you too. We're pleased to meet you too.
Bertemu teman-teman saya.
Meet my friends. Meet my friends.
Bertemu teman saya.
Meet my friend. Meet my friend.
Saya senang bertemu dengan Anda.
I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you.
Katakan, senang bertemu dengan Anda, Kate.
Nice to see you, Kate. Nice to see you, Kate.
Halo, Kate. Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Hello, Kate. Nice to see you. Hello, Kate. Nice to see you.
Bagaimana kabar Anda, John?
How are you, John? How are you, John?
Saya baik, terima kasih.
I'm great, thank you. I'm great, thank you.
Jawablah, saya baik, saya merasa baik.
I'm great, I'm feeling great. I'm great, I'm feeling great.
Terima kasih, Bu Williams.
Thank you, Mrs. Williams. Thank you, Mrs. Williams.
Bagaimana kabar Anda, Pak Johnson?
How are you, Mr. Johnson? How are you, Mr. Johnson?
Katakan, kemana Anda akan pergi?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Sekarang katakan, kemana Anda ingin pergi?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Saya merasa sangat baik.
I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very good.
Apakah Anda akan pulang setelah kerja?
Are you going home after work? Are you going home after work?
Tidak, saya tidak akan pulang.
No, I'm not going. No, I'm not going.
Tanyakan apakah Anda ingin pergi dengan saya?
Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me?
Kate bercerita kepada John tentang teman-temannya. Kate bercerita kepada John bahwa teman-temannya itu adalah pemandu wisatawan dan mereka senang memandu John keliling kota. Dengarkan.
They are tourist guides and they can take you on the trip around the city.
Dengarkan sekali lagi.
They are tourist guides and they can take you on the trip around the city.
Mereka adalah pemandu wisatawan. Bagaimana Anda akan mengatakan bahwa
They are tourist guides. They are tourist guides. Tourist.
wisatawan? Ulangi kata ini dengan nyaring.
Tourist. Tourist. Wrist. Wrist. Tour. Tour. Tourist. Guides.
Berarti pemandu wisatawan.
Guides. Ga. Ga. Guy. Guy. Guides. Guides. They are tourist guides. They can take you on the trip.
Mereka bisa membawa Anda bepergian. Anda telah mempelajari kata
Take.
yang artinya membawa.
Trip.
Perjalanan.
Trip. Trip. Ip. Ip. Tree. Tree. Trip.
Mereka bisa membawa Anda bepergian.
They can take you on the trip. They can take you on the trip.
Mereka adalah wisatawan.
They are tourists. They are tourists.
Apakah Anda wisatawan?
Are you a tourist? Are you a tourist?
Ya, saya wisatawan.
Yes, I'm a tourist. Yes, I'm a tourist.
Bawa saya bepergian.
Take me on the trip. Take me on the trip.
Apakah Anda menyukai perjalanan?
Do you like trips? Do you like trips?
Saya wisatawan dan saya menyukai perjalanan.
I'm a tourist and I like trips. I'm a tourist and I like trips.
Saya menyukai perjalanan keliling kota. Dengarkan bagaimana mengatakannya.
I like trips around the city. I like trips around the city. Around the city.
Keliling kota.
Around.
Keliling.
Owned. Owned. Round. Round. Around. Around. The city.
Kota. Kota.
The city. City. T. T. Itty. Itty. Se. Se.
Perhatikan pengucapan akhir kata
City. T. T. City. City.
keliling kota.
Around the city. Around the city.
Saya menyukai perjalanan keliling kota.
I like trips around the city. I like trips around the city.
Apakah Anda menyukai perjalanan keliling kota?
Do you like trips around the city? Do you like trips around the city?
San Francisco adalah kota besar.
San Francisco is a big city. San Francisco is a big city.
Kota saya kecil.
My city is small. My city is small.
Apakah Anda menyukai kota Anda?
Do you like your city? Do you like your city?
Kota saya besar.
My city is great. My city is great.
Saya akan bepergian keliling kota saya.
I will take a trip around my city. I will take a trip around my city.
Apakah Anda akan melihat kota saya?
Are you going to see my city? Are you going to see my city?
Ya, saya ingin sekali.
Yes, I'd like to. Yes, I'd like to.
Saya ingin menjadi pemandu wisatawan.
I want to be a tourist guide. I want to be a tourist guide.
Saya ingin menjadi pemandu Anda.
I want to be your guide. I want to be your guide.
Saya tidak bisa menunggu.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Wait.
Menunggu.
Wait. Wait. 8. 8. 8. W. W. Wait.
Ingatlah bagaimana mengatakan, saya akan bertemu teman-teman saya.
I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to meet my friends.
Anda akan menyukai teman-teman saya juga.
You will like my friends too. You will like my friends too.
Di mana mereka akan berada?
Where are they going to be? Where are they going to be?
Mereka akan berada di Cafe Max.
They are going to be at the Max Cafe. They are going to be at the Max Cafe.
Tanyakan kafe yang mana.
In which cafe? In which cafe?
Di Cafe Max.
At Max Cafe. At Max Cafe.
Baiklah, mari kita pergi ke sana.
Okay, let's go there. Okay, let's go there.
Dengarkan dialog lainnya. Pelayan itu mendekati meja dan mengambil pesanan dari orang-orang. Di suatu saat ia bertanya kepada John, Anda akan mendengar percakapan mereka.
Hello, sir. May I take your order?
Hello, yes please. I'd like some red wine to drink.
And for the main course, sir?
Shrimps please. Are they spicy?
Yes, sir. They are spicy.
Good. I like spicy food.
Dengarkan kembali dialog ini.
Hello, sir. May I take your order?
Hello, yes please. I'd like some red wine to drink.
And for the main course, sir?
Shrimps please. Are they spicy?
Yes, sir. They are spicy.
Good. I like spicy food.
Pelayan itu mendekati John dan ia menggunakan bentuk sapaan yang sopan,
Hello, sir.
yang berarti, Halo Pak. Ulangi kata
Sir.
dengan nyaring.
Sir. 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 Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Bolehkah saya mengambil pesanan Anda?
May I take your order? May I take your order?
Ya, silakan.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Saya ingin minum anggur merah. Dengarkan.
I'd like some red wine to drink. I'd like some red wine to drink. Red wine.
Anggur merah.
Red.
Merah. Ulangilah dengan nyaring.
Red. 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 Wine.
Anggur.
Wine. Wine. Ein. Ein. Wine.
Saya minum anggur merah.
I drink red wine. I drink red wine.
Saya suka minum anggur merah.
I like to drink red wine. I like to drink red wine.
Apakah Anda minum anggur merah, Pak?
Do you drink red wine, sir? Do you drink red wine, sir?
Apakah Anda ingin anggur merah, Pak?
Would you like red wine, sir? Would you like red wine, sir?
Ya, tolong.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Bolehkah saya mengambil pesanan Anda?
May I take your order? May I take your order?
Tolong, saya ingin kopi dengan gula dan teh dengan susu.
I'd like some coffee with sugar and tea with milk, please. I'd like some coffee with sugar and tea with milk, please.
Apakah teh Anda dengan gula?
Is your tea with sugar? Is your tea with sugar?
Ya, dengan 1 sendok teh gula.
Yes, with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yes, with 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Kopi Amerika dengan susu dan gula.
American coffee with milk and sugar. American coffee with milk and sugar.
Bagaimana kopi Amerika Anda dengan susu?
How is your American coffee with milk?
Enak.
It's good. It's good.
Datanglah ke dapur.
Come to the kitchen. Come to the kitchen.
Di mana dapurnya?
Where's the kitchen? Where's the kitchen?
Dapur ada di sebelah kamar mandi.
The kitchen is next to the bathroom. The kitchen is next to the bathroom.
Dapurnya kecil dan kamar mandinya besar.
The kitchen is small and the bathroom is big. The kitchen is small and the bathroom is big.
Dapurnya besar.
The kitchen is big. The kitchen is big.
Saya tidak bisa menunggu.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Saya bisa menunggu.
I can wait. I can wait.
Sekarang kita akan menerjemahkan percakapan selanjutnya antara pelayan dan John. Dengarkan.
And for the main course, sir?
Shrimps, please. Are they spicy?
Pelayan itu bertanya,
And for the main course, sir?
ini berarti, dan untuk hidangan utamanya, Pak?
For the main course.
Ulangilah.
Main.
Utama.
Main. Main. Ein. Ein. Ma. Ma. Main. Course.
Hidangan.
Course. Oars. Oars. Ko. Ko. Course.
Dan untuk hidangan utamanya, Pak?
And for the main course, sir? And for the main course, sir?
Saya ingin udang untuk hidangan utamanya. Dengarkan.
I'd like shrimps for the main course. I'd like shrimps for the main course. Shrimps.
Udang. Ulangilah dengan nyaring.
Shrimps. Imps. Imps. Shre. Shre. Shrimps. Shrimps.
Saya ingin udang.
I'd like shrimps. I'd like shrimps.
Apakah udangnya pedas?
Are they spicy? Are they spicy? Spicy.
Pedas.
Spicy. Icy. Icy. Spy. Spy. Spicy.
Udangnya, ini khusus, pedas.
The shrimps are spicy. The shrimps are spicy.
Makan malam saya pedas.
My dinner is spicy. My dinner is spicy.
Apakah sarapannya pedas?
Is the breakfast spicy? Is the breakfast spicy?
Tidak, tidak pedas.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Apakah udangnya pedas?
Are shrimp spicy? Are shrimp spicy?
Ya, Pak, pedas.
Yes, sir, they are. Yes, sir, they are.
Di kalimat terakhir, John berkata,
Good, I like spicy food.
apa artinya?
I like spicy food. I like spicy food.
Saya suka makanan pedas.
I like spicy food. Food.
Makanan.
Food. Food. Ood. Ood. Foo. Foo. Food.
Saya lapar. Mari membuat suatu makanan.
I'm hungry. Let's make some food. I'm hungry. Let's make some food.
Saya suka makanan laut.
I like seafood. I like seafood.
Saya akan membuat suatu makanan untuk makan malam.
I'm going to make some food for dinner. I'm going to make some food for dinner.
Apa jenis hidangan yang Anda suka?
What type of course do you like? What type of course do you like?
Saya suka makanan pedas.
I like spicy food. I like spicy food.
Dan Anda?
And you? And you?
Saya tidak suka hidangan pedas.
I don't like spicy courses. I don't like spicy courses.
Dan saya suka udang.
And I like shrimps. And I like shrimps.
Anda harus menunggu udangnya.
You have to wait for the shrimps. You have to wait for the shrimps.
Sekarang katakan, saya punya rumah besar, tetapi kamarnya kecil.
I have a big house but a small room. I have a big house but a small room.
Rumah kecil dengan kamar-kamar besar.
A small house with big rooms. A small house with big rooms.
Ranjang besar Anda.
Your big bed. Your big bed.
Saya ingin meja kecil di kafe.
I want a small table in the cafe. I want a small table in the cafe.
Mejanya ada di sebelah ranjang.
The table is next to the bed. The table is next to the bed.
Kamar saya di sebelah kamar Anda.
My room is next to your room. My room is next to your room.
Kita ada di sini.
We are here. We are here.
Sekarang ulangi semua kata dari pelajaran hari ini.
Meet.
Bertemu.
Meet. Pleased.
Senang.
Pleased. Tourist.
Wisatawan.
Tourist. Guide.
Pemandu.
Guide. Trip.
Perjalanan.
Trip. Around.
Keliling.
Around. City.
Kota.
City. Wait.
Menunggu.
Wait. Sir.
Pak.
Sir. Red.
Merah.
Red. Wine.
Anggur.
Wine. Main.
Utama.
Main. Course.
Hidangan.
Course. Spicy.
Pedas.
Spicy. Food.
Makanan.
Food. Shrimps.
Udang.
Shrimps.